Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into my exciting moped restoration project. Let's get started with the engine. This was completely rebuilt, new crankshaft, new 50cc cylinder set, and I got the 12 volts Kokusan ignition. It took me a while to time this, and I had to use a timing gun, light gun. I think I left it at 18mm. I'm going to ditch the pedals and install this pull start instead. Not a cheap upgrade, but much cheaper than retrofitting a kickstart. Nice and shiny sprocket, both front and back. I got the Bing replica carburetor, and I ditched the original filter and went for this instead. We'll see how it works. Instead of covering the filter hole, I will tuck all the cables in there. I placed the 12 volts voltage regulator here and just CDI across it. The whole body was sandblasted and powder coated. The forks were chrome but couldn't be saved, so I ended up powder coating them as well. You can see the difference here between the only two powder coats, black matte and gloss. The headlights, I couldn't make up my mind, but the smaller one just didn't look nice, so having to bend the arms, so I went for the bigger ones. The tank was cleaned inside as well, the best as I could. Didn't treat it though. Got new locking and keys. Went for a low handlebar, aiming for a classic look. So I also found this vintage Brooks saddle. This is also in match with the vintage white wall tires from Mitas. These are 225. The wheels were also sandblasted and powder coated black matte. The brake was poorly hydroblasted by myself, then spray painted, but as you can see it's easily flaking off. Ditching the pedals, I got the footrests. Without complicating things, I got the cigar exhaust. Standard tail light, and I've got two options for rear suspension. Some shorter ones and some longer ones that are probably sportier.